The price of Shiba Inu coin has been extremely volatile over the last 24 hours or so, with Shiba Inu coin actually bouncing back just this morning, hitting about 1560 points per coin, back down to 1500 points per coin, trying to find a bottom in this area as the overall market is doing the same. Bitcoin was running up, fell back down. Bitcoin touched about $98,000 before falling back down to $96,900, and here we are trying to find the next direction, but Shiba Inu coin actually has some negative sort of signals out there, and we need to go over them because the price is in the red as the first major death cross of 2025 appears. Now we got to talk about it, so if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we're going to be going over some technical analysis on Shiba Inu coin in this video, and it's not necessarily positive. But I do want to say this, if at any time you guys are interested in buying Shiba Inu coin or trading Shiba Inu coin on leverage, you're going to see the KSEX exchange out there. Make sure that you guys check it out right now because they're trying to onboard as many users as possible. 0% maker and 0% taker fees. So make sure to check it out. They have up to 100x leverage trades available. And actually, they got the best selection of meme coins that I have ever seen in the United States. So make sure to check them out. And let's go over this before I talk about a couple of the tokens that I'm diversifying into at the end of the video here. Since the dog-themed cryptocurrency Shiba Inu coin has been trading down in the last 24 hours, and at the time of writing, Shiba Inu coin is down about 0.21% to 1538 points per coin. Weekly, Shiba Inu coin was recording higher losses, down nearly 7%. Now, the price drop coincides with the appearance of a death cross on Shiba Inu coin's daily charts, which is the first major death cross in 2025. A death cross occurs when a shorter-term moving average, often the 50-day moving average, dips below the longer-term 200-day moving average. Historically, this pattern has been viewed as a bearish sign, suggesting the downward momentum may persist. And this is the opposite of a golden cross. A golden cross happens when the 50-day moving average moves above the 200-day moving average. It says this time, the bearish technical indicator sends probable signals that to traders and investors alike as the market faces uncertainty. The cryptocurrency market has recently seen selling pressure due to macroeconomic concerns, with the Fed's cautious outlook on interest rates hurting speculative assets. Bitcoin, the first and largest cryptocurrency by market cap, has stalled under 100,000, while altcoins have faced greater losses. Shiba Inu coin was not exempted from the bearish pressure, falling for 4 days straight from February 15th to 18th before slightly rebounding. And if you look at the daily chart right now, you can see that SHIB is trying its best to find that bottom. Here's the decline from the 15th to the 18th. Had a slight green day, and here we are, just beginning to try and find that bottom once again. Now, I was convinced the bottom was in back here when we began to rebound, and we are testing that bottom once again. So hopefully the bulls have it in them to stay strong, and hopefully the bulls have it in them to go out and buy some Shiba Inu coin. Here's the thing that is going to get us over the hump, though, and that is confidence in the market. Right now, guys, I haven't actually refreshed this today, so let's see if we're bouncing off 38 fear. Right now, the CoinStats Fear and Greed Index is a level of 37 fear. One tick lower than where we were yesterday. 37, this one may be refreshed here, let's see. CoinMarketCap is already bouncing. So CoinMarketCap has bounced from a level of 37 to a level of 40, where the CoinStats Fear and Greed Index seems to be trying to find its bottom. It's ticking down just 1 point from 38 to 37. And the overall meme coin market cap today is sitting at $67.2 billion. Very volatile, as you can see. Coming up throughout the night, testing about 68, coming back down to 67, back up to 68, back down to 67. And this volatility, we're talking billions of dollars, right? Ticking around every couple of hours here. And as you can see, this morning is very red, not only on the day, but also on the hour. So we do have to wait and see how the day plays out here. The good news is the Fear and Greed Index is bouncing on CoinMarketCap. It may have bottomed, and it seems to be either slowing down or trying to find its bottom on CoinStats. Now, if you look at the overall technical indicators, you can see that Shiba Inu coin formed a death cross just a few days ago on that daily, and these are exponential moving averages. So depending on whether or not you're using weighted or simple or whatever, your cross may be a little bit sooner or a little bit later than the one that's using exponential moving averages right here. But regardless of that, this is a bearish sign. It does not mean, however, that we cannot see a reversal. A lot of people think that moving average crossovers indicate what is guaranteed to happen next. And that's not the case, guys. We could come out with news tomorrow. The president could say something. Elon Musk could say something. You could just have somebody endorsing Shiba Inu coin, and it completely changes the game. Any level of fundamental information will always outweigh the technical information that's available. But right now, technical information is basically all we have. So please proceed with caution, knowing that this death cross has taken place, but also, because I gotta, give you the positive and the negative, find a glimmer of hope in the fact that the fear and greed index, which is what's causing this decline to begin with, because there's no negative or bad news on the market right now. We've got nothing but good news out there about building a digital revolution and a golden age for cryptocurrencies. So keep that in mind. Potential scenarios, obviously ups or downs are the potential scenarios. It says Shiba Inu coin's last moving average crossover was a golden cross. Then despite the death cross, which occurs with 50-day, simple moving average or exponential or whatever, is above the 200-day moving average. And this occurred in November of 2024. Shiba Inu coin reached highs of 3,300 points per coin about a month later. The most recent occurrence of a death cross before this time was in July of 2024 when SHIB saw it come down to 1,300 points per coin. Following the consolidation, Shiba Inu coin reversed the trend and started rising. If the current scenario plays out with the emergence of the recent death cross, Shiba Inu coin might seek to establish a price bottom and consolidate a while before making a major price move, which is what we may be seeing right now. Shiba Inu coin down to those 1,500 point per coin levels, trying to find its bottom, and it may have done so. Barring any decline in Bitcoin, barring any decline or any fundamental news that would cause prices to move lower, Shiba Inu coin should continue to maintain its current position. Now, SHIB is not my only position, which is why I don't get as upset as a lot of other people when I see Shiba Inu coin declining. It's an overall market presence that brings it down, and I have an overall market portfolio. One of the most recent meme coins that I've added to my portfolio is Bitcoin Bull. Now, Bitcoin Bull has already raised $2.4 million, and let's update this. Refresh this page so we can get the most recent numbers here. They've raised $2.469 million, and the price is going to rise again whenever they reach another $500,000, or, of course, if 2 days and 18 hours passes. I believe that the Bitcoin bull market is just beginning, and I believe that Bitcoin is going to hit higher highs. Now, because of that, I also believe that Bitcoin bull is going to see some gains because, of course, it rewards its holders every time Bitcoin reaches a new price milestone. I want to know what you guys are buying down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.